Hi guys, welcome back with another video, and in today's video we will discuss how to subtotal data in Microsoft Excel automatically. So we are using our usual inventory sheet, and we have got our inventory data where we have got location and quantity and total inventory value. So before we can utilize subtotal option, we will sort data by location. So to do that one, I'm going to select my data and I'm going to use my this down arrow option and sort A to Z. So my data is sorted location wise, and to have a subtotal by location, so once I'm in the range, I need to go to data, and here is subtotal option. So I need to click here, and now it is giving me whether I want to do a subtotal when there is a change in the product ID, description, supplier, location. So location wise I want to do a summation, and which value I want to total. So I want to total inventory value, and I'll click OK, and you can see it has given me the subtotal by each location. So I can see all the subtotal, and then there is a grand total for all the locations as well. Another change you would notice, on the left hand side there are three groups added, three buttons added. So if I click on one, so it is giving me only grand total for all my inventory. If I click on two, it is giving me subtotal by location only, and if I click on three, it is showing me subtotal plus all the individual inventory by each product ID I've got on each location. So if I'm interested only looking at what's my total inventory located at each location, I can click on 2, and this is how I can just see this one. But if I'm interested only seeing the detail of, for example, Liverpool total, I'll click on this plus button, and this is how I can drill down into Liverpool's data, and I get my total at Liverpool plus individual inventory units in Liverpool. If I want to remove subtotal, so once I'm here in the range, I will go to subtotal, and here is remove all option. So I'll click remove all, so everything is back to its original position. Sometimes we have to do double subtotal. For example, I want to know beside inventory value, I also want to have the total of my quantity by each location. So how to do that one? So once I'm in my range, I'll go to subtotal. So I've selected my location. I want to sum, but I want to do the quantity plus my inventory value, but make sure there's an option to replace current subtotal. If this is ticked, then it will switch from inventory to quantity, so I don't need this one, so I'll untick this one. Another option down there is page break between groups. So if you select this one and print out your inventory by subtotal, then it will give you 4 prints in my case, where all 4 locations, individual transactions plus their subtotal on, you'll have 4 pages by each location. So you can utilize this option, and summary below data, that is the total which I'm getting grand total for all the locations. So when I click OK, now you can see I've got my quantity plus my inventory value. So this is how you can do double subtotal at the same time. Now sometime we have to copy data from the subtotals. So imagine I want to copy this data where I have my quantity and inventory by my 4 location plus grand total. So let's see what happens if I copy this data, and if I go to a new tab and paste this one, you can see it has pasted not only just the totals, but it has copy and pasted all individual rows as well. So I don't need that one. How to do this? So I've done Control Z to undo my paste. So I'll go back to my inventory. So once you are here, press F5, and then it's asking me where I want to go to. So I'll click special, and once you are in go to special, and you need to select visible cells only and click OK. And then I've copied this one, and I'm going back and I'm going to paste this one, but this time you can see I've just copy and pasted only the data which was visibly visible, that was the subtotal by each location. So this is how you can copy paste data from subtotals. That's it for now. If you have any question, leave comment. I'll get back to you. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.